There you go. Oh, good girl. Oh, did
Oh, you need some help. Why she need some help?
Oh, she might need help if she's a baby.
Look, she's going to take it. Come on, come on. You going to keep it?
She might. It looks like it's stuck on the edge. Oh, she almost has it. Good girl. Oh, that was nice and gentle.